Old-fashioned frugal living tips in today's world. It can be easy to get caught up in the fast-paced, consumer-driven culture and lose sight of the value of hard work, resourcefulness, and simplicity. If you're looking to live a more frugal, old-fashioned lifestyle, there are many practical tips you can follow to save money, reduce waste, and live a more fulfilling life. One of the most important things to remember when it comes to frugal living is to plan ahead. This means taking the time to think about your expenses, budget your money, and make smart decisions about how you will spend your time and resources. It also means being willing to sacrifice short-term convenience or comfort for long-term financial stability and security. One of the best ways to save money is to cut back on unnecessary expenses. This means being mindful of your spending habits and looking for ways to reduce or eliminate unnecessary purchases. For example, instead of buying a cup of coffee from a cafe every day, you could make your own coffee at home and bring it with you in a reusable mug. This small change can save you a significant amount of money over time. Another way to save money is to be mindful of your energy usage. This means turning off lights and appliances when they are not in use, using energy-efficient light bulbs, and taking steps to reduce your home's overall energy consumption. By doing this, you can save money on your monthly utility bills and reduce your carbon footprint at the same time. Another key aspect of frugal living is to learn how to be resourceful and make the most of what you have. This means finding creative ways to use the items you already have and repurposing them instead of throwing them away. For example, instead of buying new clothes, you could try sewing your own clothes or fixing up old clothes to give them a new lease on life. Finally, it's important to remember that frugal living is not just about saving money. It's also about living a more fulfilling and meaningful life. This means valuing the things that are truly important to you, such as family, friends, and personal growth, and letting go of the things that don't bring you joy or fulfillment. By focusing on the things that matter most, you can live a rich and fulfilling life without spending a fortune.